Alright, today I have a Leica Q3 and I am going to be putting on a round lens hood onto my Leica Q3. And it also comes with a lens cap, which is quite handy. Alright, so this is not made by Leica itself, although this is a Leica camera. This is made by a third party. It's called JJC. It is model numbers LH-Q3. I'm placing this on here. I'm going to show you, I'm going to go through it step by step to show you how I do it. So first, I'm going to go ahead and open this up. This is the hood. It is vented, and I'll show you the vented parts or vented places of the hood, as well as it comes with a lens cap. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. And this is the hood. Go ahead and pull this out. You can see that it's vented. Now, some people prefer to go with the rounded hood as opposed to the rectangular. Now, as far as blocking stray light, from my experience, the square hood actually performs better at blocking light than the round hood, but I find that the round hood, you can allow more different types of filters more so than you can with the square hood. So some people tend to go with this right here because they like to add filters to their camera and still have the usefulness of the hood and protection. It does offer some sort of protection from drops or knocks or dings or bangs. I'm going to pull this out. Here is the lens cap. Comes with a string for those of you who like to use the string and attach it to the actual hood. I can go ahead and show you that really quickly. So this is the lens cap, and I'll take this and I'll just go ahead and make it a little bit smaller, the hoop, and I'll push it real good through the hole that they have intended for it. And then I'll take this and I'll slide this through right here. Now, what you could do if you want this on the hood is I go ahead and tie this first, so this is actually secure, and then I do a different loop if I want to for the hood. So I'll take this, and where does this go? It goes right here. Take this and push this through like that, and then just take the cap. I think I did that wrong, but I'll do it again after I put the lens cap on. I'll show you how to do it. I'm supposed to take it through the outer hoop, but it looked like I knew what I was doing, so that's the most important part. Go ahead and take this off. So I'm going to go ahead and put on for my city. So clean this up a little bit around the edges so I don't get actual sand on the lens. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to go ahead and take the UV filter off. Now, the reason why I had the UV filter on is because I misplaced my lens cap, and that's why I'm purchasing a new lens cap. So I'm going to take this, place it to the side, and I'm going to take the hood, and I can't just put the hood on. And why is that? Is because Leica has a ring over here that you're supposed to take the ring off. You just simply go to the edge and take the ring off like this, as if you're getting a divorce, and take that off. I'll just get a little bit of dust from off of that. Then I'm going to go ahead and take the hood And when you're putting it on, I like to put it down like this so it sits evenly flush. And I spin this like that. And so here is the hood. I'm going to spin it until it's supposed to stop, right? Well, at least with the... So I'm not going to do it too much. Just do it to a snug because I don't want to strip it. I know for sure that the Leica hood that you get, it actually stops once it gets to a certain point. But I don't know if this one does, so I'm not going to overdo it. So now you have the protective hood on here. You can see that it's vented right there. I didn't vent it. I didn't invent it. You guys don't know funny. But this is the vented hood right there. Go ahead and take pictures. And with this, you can go ahead and take the lens cap and you can press it on like that. And with it pressed on like that, you have protection for the lens. And if you want to, you can actually, I'm going to go ahead and do this, take this off. You can actually put this through right here and through the loop like that if you want to. Or alternatively, if you don't want it right there, because it could show up in your shot. See how I did that? I'm going to take this, take it out of the loop and show you a different way. Probably the more effective way. The way you don't have a lens cap or G-string on in your photo. Now if you look right here, see that? There's a little bar right there that separates two sides of the vent. I'm going to go ahead and take the string, go ahead through that, and then down through that. So now I have it right there. But ideally, you'd want to put it on the bottom. Now we're here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same thing. I'm going to go ahead and take this and slide it through. And then I'm going to go all over here, down, and out. And so once I have it there, I can go ahead and take the lens cap, press it through, and there you have it right there. So it came through the bottom. Now we're here. And you can take the lens cap and you place it right there. Now, you can do this. Makes sense. So now you have your lens cap right there. Now you have protection for your lens. Now, what I've done before is I have used, is it on? Shoot. All right. So what I've done before is I take a piece of Velcro right here. And you see how I have the lens cap on, right? Left, up, down, BA, 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 select start. You can take this, pinch this off. See, it's a pinch lens cap. I put Velcro, strip of Velcro right here. And the other side of the Velcro, perhaps down here. And you can just put it right there. And it'll attach right there. That way you're not swinging in the wind like this. Alternatively, you could do it perhaps on the side. If you do it. Or if you have it attached up here, you can actually put it up here somewhere. That way it is out of the way. And you can go ahead. Perhaps I can put it right here and then put the Velcro at the top in order to prevent it from sliding away. And this is how you install the circular hood on a Leica Q3. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.